Hello, I'm Sridhar. I'm going to discuss about the topic of atomic number and mass number in this slides. First of all, before going to discuss this one, already we discussed what is an atom, what are the fundamental particles are there in atom in last video. Now I have to discuss uh, the topic of atomic number and mass number in this topic in this video. First of all, atomic number is denoted with Z, and its definition is the atomic number of an element is equals to the number of protons present in the nucleus of its atom. Once again I am repeating, the number of protons present in the nucleus of an atom is known as atomic number. Generally it is denoted as Z. Mainly it indicates about the number of protons present in the atom. Example, the atomic number of hydrogen is Z is equals to 1. Z is equal to 1. And this was proposed by the Moseley based on the X-ray spectral studies. That is, under root mu is equals to A into Z minus B, where mu is the frequency of X-ray of element, Z is the atomic number of the element, A and B are the small a and small b are the constants. The atomic number of an element is equals to number of protons present in the nucleus of an atom. That is also equals to number of electrons present in the neutral atom of an element, or also is equals to positive charge of the nucleus of an atom, or also equals to the serial number of the element in the periodic table. Once again I am repeating, the atomic number of an element is equals to the number of protons present in the nucleus of an atom, are also equals to the number of electrons present in the neutral atom of an element, or the positive charge of the nucleus of the atom, are also equals to the serial number of the element in the periodic table. Simply, the number of the atomic number definition is the number of protons present in the nucleus of an atom is called as atomic number. Mass number. The mass number is the sum of the number of protons and neutrons present in the nucleus of an atom. The sum of the number of protons and neutrons in the nucleus of an atom is known as mass number. Generally, it is denoted as capital A. Capital A. Okay, this equals to, then this can be right, this definition can be right like this: protons plus neutron is equals to atomic mass number. Example, C612. C is the symbol of the carbon. 6 indicates number of protons, that's called as atomic number. This 12 indicates the sum of the protons and neutrons present in the carbon atom. Simply this can be defined as the sum of the number of protons and neutrons present in the nucleus of an atom is called as mass number, and its notation is XAZ. X indicates chemical symbol of the element, A indicates atom mass number, Z indicates atomic number. Just now we discussed this one. Z indicates, Z is denoted as atomic number, A is denoted as mass number, A, where X equal to chemical symbol of the atom. Okay. N indicates, capital N indicates nuclear notation, sorry, neutron number. Okay, remember once again, the number of protons in the nucleus of an atom is equals to the number of electrons. So the atomic number is equals to the number of protons or also equals to the number of electron. Okay, next remember the sum of mass number is the sum of the number of protons and the neutrons in the nucleus of the atom is equals to mass number. That is called as mass number equal to sum of the protons plus sum of the neutrons, where mass number is equals to the number of the sum of the number of neutrons equals to mass number minus atomic number. Sum of the neutrons are equals to mass number minus atomic number. Okay, this formula can use for the calculation of the number of neutrons present in the atom. Example: atomic content of C612. The number of protons are 6. Number of neutrons are in this 12 minus 6. Already just now we discussed the formula for this mass number minus atomic number, that is 12 minus 6 equal to 6. The number of electrons in this C612 atom, that is 6. Okay, example number 2. Atomic content of C614. Here 6 indicates number of protons, 14 indicates mass number. In this C614 it contains 8 electrons. Okay, that is mass number minus atomic number, that is equals to 8. The number of electrons in this C614 atom is 6. Okay, it is a isotope of the carbon atom. C614, C612 is also one of the carbon atom, and it is also one of the carbon atom. That is, both are the atomic numbers are same, but difference in the mass number. Then these are called as isotopes. Example number 3. Atomic content of N714. The number of protons in this one 7, neutrons are 7, electrons are also 7. Okay, when number of neutrons are equals to 14 minus 7 equal to 7. Example number 4. How many number of protons and neutrons are there in the atom having A238 when Z equal to 92? Okay, this indicates from this question, that indicates from this A indicates 238, mass number indicates 238, and Z atomic number is 92. In this, the number of protons are how much? Protons, neutrons, and electrons. The number of protons in this one is 92, because of the atomic number is equals to the number of protons, and number of neutrons are equals to A minus Z, mass number minus atomic number, that is 238 minus 92, that is equals to 146. 146. The number of electrons are in this uranium 92 238 is 92. Okay, for example, if we have to take another isotope of the high uranium, that is uranium 92 235, here is the 235 indicates mass number. At that time the neutrons, number of neutrons in this atom will change, that is the number of neutrons in this one uranium 9235 is 143. Thank you.